Detoxify your body for a stronger immune system. Your immune system works at its most effective when your body is clean of toxins. The reason for this is that it works a lot less hard when there are no toxins to contend with. The result of this is a stronger fight taking place against antigens that can cause disease. Detoxifying your body is the practice of cleaning out anything that your cells do not require. This can be a substance that causes harm or something that can prevent your cells from functioning in the correct way. In this video, we will provide you with 6 simple methods that you can use to detoxify your body in a natural way. 1. Use pure water detoxification. One of the best ways to perform a natural body detoxification is to drink pure water. You need to drink quite a lot of water to ensure that you flush out all of the toxins. The key part of this is the pure water. This means just ordinary water and not carbonated water, and certainly no sugary drinks or coffee. Your body needs water to function properly. So, when you provide it with pure water for a period of time, it will absorb it easily, and then it will eliminate any toxins that are present through body fluids such as your sweat and your urine. 2. Drink warm lemon water to detoxify. Staying with the water theme, it is a great idea to drink warm lemon water when you wake up each morning. In fact, you can drink it any time during the day. The great thing about warm lemon water is that it is very effective at breaking down those unwanted toxins and assisting your body to eliminate them altogether. Warm lemon water is a natural diuretic which will clean your urinary tract. It will also provide detoxification for your liver and will give your immune system a much-needed boost due to the nutrients that it contains. 3. Eat the right kind of foods. Eating the right foods has been a common theme throughout this training, and there is very good reason for this. When you consume the right kind of foods, you will naturally detoxify your body. So, ensure that your diet includes plenty of fresh fruit and vegetables and that you get algae in your diet too. There are superfoods that do a great job in eliminating heavy metals and toxic chemicals from your body. These superfoods include alfalfa, blue-green algae, cilantro. Another natural and effective way to detox is through fasting. This takes into account how you eat as well as what you eat. So, for example, you could have a regimen where you only consume liquids for a 12-hour or more period, as this will help to significantly reduce your body's toxicity levels. 4. Regular exercise. You might think that it is strange to see regular exercise as a way to detoxify your body, but it does work. The key here is to work up a sweat when you are exercising. Sweating in this way will help you to eliminate toxins a lot more easily. When you sweat after exercising, you can get rid of bad toxins such as arsenic, cadmium, and mercury, for example. 5. Regular meditation. This is another way of getting a body detox that you might not have thought of. When you meditate, you improve the circulation of your blood. You will also boost your metabolism, and meditation is great for your cardiovascular system as well. 6. Breathing clean air. There is one other great way that you can detoxify your body, and that is to get as much fresh, clean air as you can. If the coronavirus pandemic is still in force, then this may be difficult to do right now. But when you are able to go outside again, choose a destination that has clean air. You can always improve the air quality in your home and your place of work as well. You can add plants to your environment, as these will clean the air. It is very important that you keep your home as dust-free as possible. Make sure that you service your home HVAC system regularly, and that this includes cleaning all of the air ducts. It is easy for toxic substances to form in your heating and ventilating system, and here are a few examples. Microorganisms, smoke, mold, fumes, pet hair, mildew. If you have a high concentration of these substances in your air ducts, which is pretty likely if you have not cleaned them for a long time, then they can cause your home to become toxic. So, the message here is clear. Eliminate the toxins in your body and your environment so that you can free up your immune system to fight those nasty antigens. It is not difficult to detoxify your body, so do it on a regular basis. In the next video, we will discuss the use of essential oils to boost your immune system.